How to use Klarna One-Time Card for purchases. Need a secure way to pay for a one-time purchase? Klarna One-Time Card is perfect for that. First, open the Klarna app, go to the Cards tab and select One-Time Card. Enter the purchase amount and Klarna will generate a virtual card number. Use this card at checkout like a regular credit card. The card expires automatically after one use, keeping your payment safe and private. Use one-time cards for online stores you have not tried before to avoid sharing your main card details. Would you try a one-time card for online shopping? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Klarna one-time card for purchases. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.